everybody, welcome again. Hi, nice to see you all join me. Hi, tour guide Aaron. We didn't find the Turkish bath, but we found the Khan. And I don't know anything about it, but I had been here before. And I thought this was worth scoping. It's quite something. A little bit dark pointing in that direction. Obviously a very, very historical place. It was the government said to be in Ottoman times. I thought it was. Can you tell me what that thing in the middle is? Was it a fountain? We had a discussion with the person that we were with last time we were here and he didn't really know. Ottoman. It's an old Khan. That's spelled K-H-A-N. And I'm standing in the middle of it. Oh, don't be jealous, but just enjoy seeing what you're able to. I wasn't able to travel for many, many years, and now as an old shook, I'm able to travel a little bit. Your time will come. But the thing about today is that you can visit these places via Periscope, and I think that's wonderful. Okay, so I'm not going to make this a long scope because I really don't know much about this. So if this was the centre of government in Turkish times, well, there's a nice big square to be in. We were just watching a tour guide explain it, but unfortunately it wasn't in English. You got mixed up with the Saraya. Okay, well, I couldn't find a sign for what you were pointing at, and I haven't been able to locate it, so we just figured we'd wander around, and everywhere's interesting. Okay, well, yeah, the Khan was a kind of a hotel for those days, wasn't it? You're welcome. We're sharing a lot of things, but this little part is Israel. This part isn't under the area of the Palestinian Authority. It's a mixed area, and I will be going under the area of under the control of the full Palestinian area later in my trip. But please don't cause me to block you by saying things that are discriminatory against Israelis, because I don't like discrimination against anybody. Okay, well look, I'm going to say goodbye. Watch the replay if you haven't. If you want to share it now before I finish the scope. If you want to take any screenshots, please do. Okay then, bye. No, I don't think it's a well. It might be some kind of a fountain or something, not too sure. Yeah, I hope to go there. We're just going to wander around here a little bit more and then we'll move there. Okay? Alright, see you later, bye.